Hello sa mga palangga. Ngayon ay meron tayong katanungan dito kay Kitty Duterte, ang bunsong anak ni Pangulong Duterte. So, una nating katanungan sa kanya, Kitty, ano yung pinakamahirap na part ng pagiging anak ni Pangulong Duterte, lalo na sa gitna ng kontrobersya ngayon?
The pressure that I've learned to, I've learned to handle. It's it's the harassment that comes with having the name. You know, all those the bashing, the things that can't really get to me, they don't bother me at all. But what what's really hard right now is what's really hard to deal with is the harassment, like us from moving from place to place because of all the the warnings that they might search our houses. So I think that's it as of now.
So, sa murang edad, paano mo naintindihan yung laban na kinakaharap ng pamilya ninyo?
Wala eh. I had no choice. I have no choice. I'm in the situation and I just have to, you know, deal with what I've been, what I've been faced with, and like my mom said, parang it just happened. It just happened to me. It's like I matured overnight. So yeah, all of it simultaneously happened. Na parang I woke up one day and I had to be this.
So, ano yung inspirasyon mo para magpatuloy na maging matatag sa gitna ng gulo at syempre ang ingay sa paligid, sa mga panggigipit sa inyo? So, papaano mo ito, saan ka kumukuha ng inspirasyon?
One answer for that, and I have been writing it also in my letters to my dada. It's my overpowering love for him. So despite the situation and even with everything that I've been feeling, because of course I have my personal life, and as a young adult, I'm 21. There's another set of challenges that I'm facing also, and I'm discovering myself. I'm learning myself, but yun, wala. Love conquers all. My overpowering love for my father.
Wow! So ayan mga palangga, narinig ninyo ang talaga namang matalinong sagot ng bunsong anak ni Pangulong Duterte. So nakikita ninyo no, na talagang ang kanyang tapang at young age, hindi natin matatawaran, napilitan na sumampa sa entablado para ikampanya ang Duterte 10, ikampanya yung mga kandidato na sa tingin natin ay makakatuwang natin sa totoong pagbabago. Kaya naman patuloy natin suportahan ang Pangulong Duterte, ang kanyang pamilya na patuloy na lumalaban sa kabila ng panggigipit katulad ng ginagawa sa atin lahat na panggigipit. So thank you very much.